So what's going on, you guys? Gio here from the Chummy TV, and before we start with today's video, I just wanted to quickly thank you guys that we finally reached 500 subscribers here on YouTube. So for today, we're with my brother here.
Hi, I'm Juan. This is my first time making Chummy TV's channel, even though he created it last month, but he never shows me anywhere, not even on Instagram. His friends probably don't even know I exist, but yeah, I exist. My name is Juan. You guys can follow me down here below on my Supreme box logo, j.proxy. So yeah, I'm proud of my brother for reaching 500 subscribers. Thank you for everyone that subscribed to him. We'll be coming out with more content now, because now it's here in LA. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
So we'll be doing shopping videos over at Melrose, Fairfax, and wherever else here in LA. We'll be doing a lot of Supreme pickups.
And we actually plan on going to New York soon, so yeah, you guys will actually witness that, and you guys will, I hope you guys enjoy what we pick up there. We don't know yet, but we're gonna go shopping.
So for today's video, we just wanted to share with you guys our pickups over the last 6 months. And if you didn't know, what I usually do whenever I'm in the Philippines, I usually do online shopping and send it over to our house over here. And he's the one that manages the stuff, and he's the one that fixes it. Let's start.
So I work for Adidas. Hopefully they don't find this out, but I took advantage of my discount there. 30% off, and the whole store had a 40% off for the customers, so I could add my 30 on top of the 40. 70% off for some cream Ultra Boost right here. I paid around $84 when they retailed around $200. So yeah, that's what I show them.
So basically, he's the Adidas plug.
I'm the Adidas plug.
Make sure to hit him up on his Instagram if you want a discount.
Yeah. And basically, he didn't buy the cream Ultra Boost in Japan because I already got him 3 size 9.5s. The other one's coming. It's shipping here. Hopefully, it might not get robbed by someone because. Yeah.
So over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs of cream Ultra Boost. And if you were wondering why I didn't pick him up over at Japan, yeah, last week, it's because my brother already picked up a pair for me for around $84 only. So can't say no to that.
Yeah.
So another Black Friday sale that he was able to get was the
Alpha Edge 4D. So retail was around $300. I paid $126. Shout out to that 70% off. But yeah, to be honest, I wasn't even supposed to get this, but they made me work at Santa Monica and there's customer returns there, so I decided to just pick them up because my first time actually seeing the 4D print. I had never seen the Ultra Boost like in hand, so yeah. I think it's a great pickup. $126 for a $300 retail shoe. You can't go wrong with that.
Yeah, actually there's a lot of bad reviews about this pair, but if you're able to get it for a discount, why not?
Why not? 4Ds. Can't go wrong with 4Ds.
Yeah. So up next, you guys, we have a lot of Supreme bags actually. Over here. And over here. Because we've been buying all throughout this season. Stuff that we'll be selling on my Instagram page, which is streetwear.paul. Actually, never ko siya na-plug, pero that's where I sell usually my streetwear items that's brand new and used that I buy during my trips. So for the first bag, we have the
Supreme duffel bag, fall winter 18.
We have the black colorway, and then next one is a backpack from fall winter 18 too. So is that it for this bag?
Yep.
Okay. Next bag.
Then we have more backpacks. The red one is the one that sells the most, so of course we gotta get the one that sells the most. Yeah, we might not keep them no more because we already have like all the nice bags, But we also bought this one. It's a size small Supreme Embossed logo hoodie.
As you all know, size small is the one that sells for the most.
So
yeah, so we have the embossed logo hoodie.
Yeah, it's really clean. It's like a box logo in a way, but yeah, that's the cool thing about it. And then
we also have
just everyone's favorite
shoulder bags from Supreme.
And the waist bags.
And the waist bag.
Yeah. from also fall winter 18.
Also from the latest season.
Yep.
So that's it. Up next. So this is a t-shirt from the Mike Kelly collab. It actually has a, I don't want to say it, but
yeah. You guys know what he means. Then this one's my gift from my brother. He just woke me up that one night, and then he was like, "Can you cop me this in the morning?" So of course, I have to look up from my brother. You know, got him Supreme pants.
So it's these Supreme warm-up pants in red. As you all know, we have to get a lot of fits for the gram.
Yep. Photo shoot's coming soon. About to post it. And then, so this one, he actually copped it in stock X.
Yeah. I got the utility bags. It's for toiletries and some other stuff.
Yeah.
I'm planning to put my camera accessories inside this.
Cause yeah, it sold out pretty fast when it came out online, you know. And I didn't even get a chance to get in the store. And then one of my favorites actually, Supreme bottle cap, right here. If you guys can see, there's a mini Supreme logo just right over there on the bottle cap. But you know, it's something. I feel like this one will go up in value soon.
Yeah, we can't open the t-shirts because,
you know, gotta keep them dead stock out here.
Yeah, we gotta keep them dead stock. We gotta sell them. So over here is the floral embossed logo tee. This is one of Supreme's more premium tees. It's about $78 retail.
Yeah. And then we also have the Mike Kelly tee right over here as well. It has 4 pictures right there. It's really cool t-shirt right there.
We have more bags.
Yeah, and we got more.
So we got more shoulder and waist bags. So if you're planning to cop some Supreme bags, make sure to check out my Instagram again.
Yep.
Which is @streetwearhaul on Instagram.
Make sure you guys follow. He'd be dropping some steals there.
Yeah.
And then we got 2 more shirts right here. We got the Supreme FUT.
Yeah, we have the Supreme FUT.
And then we have the Supreme Life Sucks tee right here too.
It has a picture of a bear.
Yeah. And then
over here we got the
warm-up pants again.
Supreme warm-up pants again.
This one he copped in stock X because
we took an L on the black one.
Yeah, on the black one.
And it's the more essential piece.
Yeah. Also for the gram.
Yeah, also for the gram.
And then we got 2 more hoodies right here.
Yeah, actually this one is for my closet.
Hoodie.
This is the Supreme script logo hoodie.
Yeah, it's for his personal.
It's for my personal collection.
Yep.
Actually, it's very nice.
And then this one, he actually copped the white one, but Supreme sent him the gray one. So Supreme, that's your
so
bag.
I can't return this anymore.
Yep, but still got resale. So if you guys want to cop this, make sure to follow Streetwear Haul down below. It's in the description.
Yeah, I'll sell it for a steal because I don't even want it.
Yeah, he doesn't even want it. And you know, we got a keychain right over here. This is a Supreme
keychain.
Yeah, it's a level keychain. And how much was the retail on that?
$24.
Like 24 bucks.
$14 or $24, something around that.
For a keychain.
For a keychain.
Yep.
It's a collector's item. So for the last Supreme? Oh,
no.
This is a bag from Stock X.
Yeah. We got. I thought we got one more. No. All right.
I think we got it.
Yeah, we got it all. All right. Well, I actually camped for this right here, Supreme CG box logo, and I sold mostly all of it. And I decided it's my first box logo, so I decided to just buy one more again. Paid around $700 for it. So yeah. And then we also got this from Stock X.
So as you all know, LeBron is now a Laker.
Yeah.
And we're here in LA. So why not buy the
Laker Bape Mitchell Ness
Bape collab?
Yeah.
With the Lakers. With the NBA.
Yeah.
So I'll be wearing this whenever we watch the game live in Staples Center.
And let's open it.
Up
You wanna
next,
open that?
yeah, it's already open. So over here we got the New Era headband from Supreme.
Yep.
From this season. I got it from StockX too.
For $100. Which is crazy.
No, I got it for 80.
Well,
Yeah.
what shipping? 100.
Yeah.
And,
Actually, this isn't a brand deal from StockX, but if they want to sponsor this video, feel free to do so.
Yep. StockX, please do that. And then, oh, I didn't even know you bought. Well, he bought Supreme side bag again in StockX.
So actually, this was an impulse buy. I got another Supreme shoulder bag.
Yeah, shoulder bag.
Actually, because they had the Black Friday promo that whenever you buy an item from them, you have the chance to win $10,000 StockX credit.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of pairs that was being given away.
Yeah.
So
might as
thought-
well, you know, buy like the semi-cheap ones in StockX and, you know, get a chance to win that 10K credit. You know, it's worth it.
yeah, but unfortunately we lost.
Yeah.
We just got a StockX t-shirt that's nowhere to be found over here.
Yeah. You know, it's
So,
somewhere here, maybe, but, you
Took
know,
an L.
took an L for that. Shout out StockX.
Right.
Teamwork. That's the brotherhood right there.
So over here we have a pair of the
Kobe.
Kobe ADPEs,
Yep.
which is the DeMar DeRozan player exclusive. So I actually got this on sale. It was around $50 only. So I said, why not buy pairs to play basketball? Because we're about to make basketball content over here in LA.
Yep. You guys gonna see us hoop in LA Fitness. You know, if you guys wanna, make sure you guys like this video. If you guys wanna see that basketball content, you already know we're about to play against LaMelo Ball and all them.
And maybe we'll play for a pair of sneakers.
Yeah.
You never know.
Yeah, maybe.
So if you like those kind of content, make sure to comment down below and hit a like in this video.
Yep.
Next.
Nice sneakers.
God. Whoa. So next sneakers we have over is a Jordan 1. In a typical Jordan 1 box. What's this?
It's the rookie of the year. Yep. It is the rookie of the year.
So over here we have the Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year.
Which he also bought in StockX.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, so I bought this from StockX because of the Black Friday sale promo, and I'm pretty sure this will shoot up in price over time because it has a very nice quality over here.
is it shatter backward quality?
I don't think so, but
It's up
yeah,
there.
it's up there.
It's up there.
It's very nice.
Yep. And what is next?
Oh my god.
There's actually one of his gifts right here. He paid around $280 in StockX, the acronym Prestos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got this for his birthday.
Was it for his birthday? I don't think it was for his birthday, but yeah, he got this as a gift. So yeah.
So yeah, we paid around $300 for it. We took an L because we thought the price will shoot up.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, it went down.
It went down,
Mhm.
but we find our way to, you know, make our money back from that.
Yeah.
So,
So in reselling, again, you win some, you lose some.
Yep.
So here are some of our other retail pickups from Nike.com. We have the
Off-white Converse,
Off-White Converse.
the second version.
Yeah, actually this was very easy.
It was an easy cup.
It was an easy cop. Actually, I just added it to cart, then magically.
It just checked out. I mean, it was just sitting on the website for a while, to be honest.
Actually, I don't think people knew that Converse was owned by Nike, so this sat for a little while on their website. So actually, this was one of the easiest cops
For an off-white shoe.
for an off-white shoe.
And the good thing about this is they actually have resale now around $300 to $400. So yeah, that's a good thing about that. Prices are going up again, even though they just recently restocked. But I mean, I don't think that'll affect the resale value now for those. So yeah.
So another pair is a pair of.
This is one of my favorites right here. See?
pair of
Travis Scott Air Force Ones right there.
in the sale colorway.
Yep, left lane.
Actually, I was doing thesis while this dropped, and I actually just joined the draw. Then magically I got it. Yeah, I was pretty lucky. It's a very nice pair, but it's not my size. Actually, it's a size 9, but I know Air Forces fits big, so I'm not planning to keep them.
Yeah.
So if you're planning to cop this, make sure to follow my Instagram, which is Streetwear Haul. So if you guys enjoyed this type of content from us, make sure to leave a like down below, because that helps us YouTubers that
barely started. So,
so it helps us to know that you're interested in this type of content. So make sure to smash that like button down there.
yeah. And comment below if you guys have any ideas of like what you want him to improve on, what you want him to do, and all that. And yeah.
If you want us to check other places here in LA, make sure to comment down below.
Yeah. If you guys know like any cool places, photo shoot, shopping places, and all that, food, restaurants, and all that, let us know down below.
And that's it, guys. Peace. This Pharrell Human Race.
Yep.
Again for $10, which is a crazy amount.
I mean,
Especially if it's around $250 for retail.
yeah.